Hello, this is Akshara Priyadarshi from Karunya University. Register number UR15CS307, and I am doing this video to explain you about my 8th experiment of my C++ lab. So the question for me was something like this. I had to create a class called as publication that stores the title and the price of the publication. From this class I have to derive two classes, of one of book and other one of tape. So the book class of book should contain page count and price, title, etc. And the tape should contain its maximum length or playing time. And each of the three classes should have a getter and setter functions. So I had to use virtual functions in this. So this was my question. Now, according to the question, I made this program starting with normal C++ program hash include IOStream using namespace std. Now I'm creating a template class with the name media of type T. So media because it's a publication or tape, so we can consider it under media. Now with this user defined T, we'll name this as price, so that whenever we are putting the price, it will be either of book or tape. Then integer publication, that is for I'll tell you later, and then a title with maximum character 50. So those were private members. Now I'm creating a public. Under public I'm creating two virtual functions, which is read and show. Now I'm creating another template class for the book with type T. Now this class book is a child of this class media, and now we are giving the input, I mean data type as double. Then here we'll initiate pages, because in the tape we have length or time. Now in this, now again we are calling this virtual functions read and show. So this and after this, now void book t read, this is for getting the data of the book, like title and number of publications, price, and number of pages. These are all the attributes of books, which will be input by the user, and these will be in this read virtual function. Now with the help of show virtual function, we will display the data of the book, like uh, title, publication, everything which we had got the information about the book from the user in this read. Similarly for tape, but for the tape, instead of pages we are taking time with the user defined t. From here we already declared template class, right? And so similarly we are getting the information from the user and displaying the information. Now under the main class we are creating a menu driven, so that it will be more comfortable for the user to use. Now we are initiating some values, and then under do while loop we are asking for which operations to be done, and where do we have to put our data. If B, then the user will be able to put the data in the data of the book. Otherwise, if T, then the user will be able to put the data in tape. So I'm doing this once again for second input if necessary, or if wanted. So I'll run the program. Yeah, so let's enter the details of the book first. Let the title be something. Now publication, let it be 23. Price of the book 325. A number of pages, let it be 400. Now whether we want to continue or not, yes, we want to continue. Let's enter one more book information. Title anything. Publication, let it be 32. Price of the book 225. A number of pages 250. So we've entered two book information. Now let's enter one tape information. Okay, so I entered no, so I won't be continuing it. Now, as you can see, the information of the first book has been displayed and the information of second book has been displayed. So let's enter the information of tape. Enter the tape. That will be our title, number of publication 20, rupees 200, let it be 200, time duration in minutes, let it be 300, that's 5 minutes, right? Or yeah, let it be 300. Now let's enter once more. Let this time be tape 2. Oh sorry, it's tape. Title tape 2. Publication 40, rupees 500, and minutes 500. Let's see the details. So according to my input, first detail was this one of the first tape, and the second tape it was this one. So with this, my program is successful.